So, do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see these walls as well?
Yeah, we work down there.
Oh.
So yeah, Charlie behind me is he decided to go out do photography today. I just happened to, you know, tag along. They said they were gonna climb rooftops as well today. I just thought, you know, might as well, you know, get some shots for the Instagram as well. I mean, it is a pretty nice area.
Yeah. Look toward, just don't look towards me too much. Just a little, Yeah. Okay.
Then after I go to the rooftop.
Yeah. I have time. I have to get back to do the washing though, but this is what happens when you live outside, guys. When you live outside.
How's the Instagram mission going on so far?
Good. Really good.
So you have to say? Okay.
Yeah, we've got a lot. It's cold as well.
It is cold, yeah.
Britain's fucking cold. Britain's also never sunny.
Talking about sunsets, we're about to go to a rooftop. It's currently 4:30.
Yeah.
Since it's October, it's getting dark earlier.
I know. I hate how fucking shit our weather is. Don't you hate it?
Well, personally, I'm more of a winter person than a summer person, so that's just me. Made it to the rooftop. As you can see, the view from the roof. You're probably wondering how we got on the roof. Well, I can't really tell you that, just to cover our tracks. Charlie, how are you finding this location?
That's okay. I know we can find better ones.
The thing is, we're supposed to be up on that level, but they blocked off all of the entrances to that side. Charlie, it's just scary looking at you step on the ledge, man.
Sort of like you. Good hype beast.
Yeah, man.
Look at that hype beast.
Look at him.
Whoa. There's two Joes. There's one there as well.
Oh shit. Let's go. West
So we all done then?
Yeah.
So how do you think it went then?
Good.
Alright. And that's all we have time for to explore today. We'll be back here next Sunday. Hopefully we get onto the actual rooftop this time.
Yeah.
Ain't that right, guys?
Hey.
At least next time everyone will have the right shoes.
Yeah. Actually, I think it was me who bought the wrong shoes, man. I wore fucking Chelsea.
Actually, it was only you that had the wrong shoes.
Hey, allow man. Fuck shit, man.